Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Today we are doing, ta-da, Louis Vuitton unboxing, and let me show you what I got from this Game On collections. Okay, so wow, this year has definitely been very interesting. As you all know, we've been through a lot in our life, a lot of anxiety, a lot of stresses. It doesn't matter you have a job, you have money, or you have no job, no money. We're all somehow impacted by this pandemic right now. And I want to let everybody know that I have currently 3 Instagram accounts. First one is Mr. Jen All-in-One. It's going to be maintained fashion, luxury, and travel. Not so much travel. And then I also have a Skin by Steve Jen. And that Instagram account is totally focused on skincare, makeup, tips, and how to prepare your skin for holidays, things like that. And there's a new one I just opened up recently. It's called Healthy Journey with Steve Jen. That is very dear to my heart because I recently lost over 30 pounds. And not only physically I changed, but mentally I also changed too. And absolutely amazing. And I want to use that platform to share with you my journey. And anyone out there want to be healthy, take control of their life. 2020 is disaster, but you want to be ready for 2021, right? You don't want to be 2021 ready and you blame on, oh, it was pandemic, that's why I was fat, or I was overweight. Don't do that to yourself. Take control of your life and let me to help you to get where you want it. So definitely check out my Healthy Journey with Steve Jen. And on that particular platform, I'm also going to focus a lot of mind and soul searching, like using the sound meditation, crystal, and all that type of different area that I never explored before. So definitely check it out. So now let's get to the unboxing. Game On. So oh my goodness, I really, there's a couple pieces I really want, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get it. So I was able to get something else. There's one piece right here, and then there's something small piece. It's from the main collection, spring and summer. And let me show you both what I got. But first, I want to talk about the bag, the shopping bag. I think the shopping bag is like to die for. Look at this. This is 3 different colors. So this is the purple, blue, and red with Louis Vuitton, and the side has a multicolored monogram. And they turn this around, it's the blue monogram, yeah. And it is also again right here. And even the handle, if you notice that, is two-tone. So I think this is a very, very nice shopping bag. I've been buying Louis Vuitton for years now. I think by far this is the best shopping bag. Do I like the whole Game On collections? Probably not. Some of the items was kind of like, what? But this is so good. So thank you for my essay to get this for me. Although I was not able to get any small little goods, but I got something else. So disappointed, honestly. Seriously, right? Alright, so let me show you what I got. First item from the Game On collections. Before I reveal what I got from the Game On collection, I want to show you a couple clips that I was at the South Coast Plaza Louis Vuitton and try on some outfits, and thank you for my essay putting those together. Ideally I want all of them, but I really can't. I did pick one, but I want to show you what I got. Okay, so let's take a look. The Louis Vuitton dressing room is absolutely beautiful. It's very large, and then he brought me a couple pieces that he think will look good on me. This is my first time working with this guy, and you know, some of the pieces I really enjoy, and some of the pieces was kind of like, nah, we don't know, but let's take a look now. So the first one you saw here, it's more like a Game On sleepwear. You know, this is designed really as a pajama, but so many people now wearing this going out. I was going to get this honestly, but this is like about $2,000. I just don't think it's I just think it's a little too much money, so I decided pass on this one. But it does look really good. Though. Imagine you're wearing this and wear a t-shirt underneath during the summertime will be really, really cute. Maybe next time. Okay, the next item I'm wearing is this Game On t-shirt, multi-monogram t-shirt, black back. What's really good about this one is on the shoulder, there's a little stuff piece right there and create more like special touch. I do like the t-shirt feel. So okay, the next one I show you here, this is a beautiful brown, kind of like a bronze silk cashmere silk shirt. It's really cool though. I don't know if you can see in the camera. You can see the monogram hidden between the pattern. So it's a very, very low key. And then this another one here is the blue version. So my essay told me that the bronze version is actually more popular than the blue one because it's definitely more low key. What do you think so far? What do you think? And then, so I try on this jacket. Oh my goodness, I love this jacket. It's kind of like a raincoat. What happened is that there's an attachment, kind of like a sweater, kind of, I don't know what material, I think it was like a, anyway, it's like a attachment that keep you warm, kind of like a scarf a little bit, and you can remove that, but I just think that price is kind of expensive, so I just kind of pass this one. Next one is the Blob Monogram Print. I really think I was gonna get this. My eye was set on this because last year I bought a similar one in orange color, but let me tell you, when I tried this on, I guess it's the faux cotton. It's a very boxy. It doesn't fit my body really well. So I just like, it doesn't make me look that good. So I didn't not like that. The next one I try is the Blob T-Shirt from Game On collection. And what's really cool about this is the way they cut the T-shirt. It's very long, all the way down. You can see it's a long T-shirt with play card on the chest area. I mean, it's pretty, but it's definitely more casual look. Full on black with the stud on the shoulder with the little card image right there. But this made me look skinny though, I have to say that. It's a very casual T-shirt. And this one, the last one I want to show you, this coat. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so pretty. I can totally see myself wearing this in the snow day. It's reversible, where you can wear both sides. For Louis Vuitton, for the coat like this price is actually not too bad. So let me show you what I got now. Ta-da! Let's open this now. So honestly, I already opened this, so it's not going to be perfect, but you get the point, okay? From the box, you can see I definitely didn't get any big pieces, smaller piece. But I think this is kind of cute. And then you guys know me. I even told Rich last, like, you know, if you, I mean, I like to collect one piece per each collections, but then there's a lot of collections. So every year is what, like 7, 8 collections. I mean, it's crazy, but I try to buy one smaller piece so I can have a piece of the iconic, you know, item. So, okay, I got this, the multi-monogram T-shirt. I'm gonna put this on right now to show you guys. It's really pretty though. I mean, just look at this. And I'm just so you guys know that this is the woman outfit. I'm wearing size medium. I think I can squeeze small, but I want to be more loose a little bit so it's not so tight. So you can see the back is all black, and at the front it's the multi-monogram. And let me show you guys the inside. A lot of people want to see the inside. This is very unique. Let me show you guys this. I think I'm the first blogger to show you the inside. So you can see that the multi-monogram has the white base and the black back is just the black. And then this is made in Italy. Let me show you guys this. I believe they're ready to wear. It's mostly from Italy. The material, let's see, hold please. Oh, by the way, definitely dry clean when you buy something so expensive like this. Don't put it in the dishwasher, that's be really weird. You buy something so expensive like this, don't put it in the dishwasher, that's be what? In the dishwasher. So there's a 2 type of material. I believe the front is the cotton, the back is a polyamide. So it's 2 different material. And I like that because when you're wearing the front, you can, the sense of the texture on the skin, you can feel better than the back. So I like the feel of this. Why don't I just put this on right now to show you guys, okay? Wow, look at this. Look at the shoulder right here. Has a little stud right here. Let me get close to show you guys. I think this is gonna fall off. This is not very stable, I think. And there's two right here too. It's just for decoration. The back, just the back. I mean, when I wear this, I mean, it's very interesting. The feel, the fabric feels so different in the front and in the back. But either way, it feels really good. It fits really nice on me. I really like it. What do you guys think? So this is the one I picked. Oh my god. Yay, I finally got something. But I'm not giving up for Game On. I have a couple SA. So one of them still try to get me on Karigami and card holder. I really want those, so I'll keep my finger crossed if I can get that. Now let's move on to another opening. Okay, so this piece is from the main collection, spring summer 21. I mean, in a way, I think it's kind of weird, honestly, right? We're barely starting winter and we're already buying the spring summer collections. I don't even know how to explain that, but anyway. So this is the small leather goods from Louis Vuitton again. And let me show you guys this. Are you ready? This is really, really pretty though. Oh my god, let me get closer. This is the Tapestry Maltese Monogram, and basically it's fabric, so you can actually see there's the fabrics already kind of getting fussy a little bit. I definitely don't think that I'll be wearing this a lot because this is kind of like a dented a little bit. Let me just open that. It's the pocket organizer. It's a beautiful piece though. I really want this collection in their clothing, and I tried some. It just doesn't really look good on me for some reason, so I just gave up. But I do like this still. Take a look. And the pocket organizer is currently already sold out. So I definitely recommend that if you like something like this, small leather goods, you have to get it fast. But they may have a restock soon again. And let me see, what's this? And most of the small leather goods from Louis Vuitton usually is made in Spain. So this is made in Spain. Let me show you guys that. But I want to get close to show you this. This is the fabric, the textile. Look how beautiful is this. What do you think? Oh my god, I'm so happy with this small piece right here. And like I said, you know, I like to collect. I now like to start collecting Louis Vuitton some of the small little goods. And this is, you know, this is just something new that I'm doing. Oh, it smells really good too. It smells like a fresh. It smells expensive. Anyway, so this is my unboxing for Louis Vuitton that I purchased for the Game On collection, and then the spring summer pre-collection for men's. I hope that you like this video today. Once again, I want to say thank you so much for your support on all my social media, and there's a lot of giveaway on my channel right now. Some people actually ask me that why am I partnering so many people doing giveaway. You know what, honestly, it is tough time, like I said in the beginning of the video. If we can give back little something, may not to everybody, but you know, just that's just gonna make you happy and smile, why not? And I was very fortunate that I was partnered with really good friends, and they are the one offering the giveaways. I said, yeah, I mean, I would love to do it, you know. So thank you for all of them that will participate. More is coming, so stay tuned. And I just want to say thank you so much for your support of all my social media. I know there's a lot, and it means a lot to me. And I hope that you have a safe holiday. Be careful. Take care of yourself first. Always take care of you first before you're helping others. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.